Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see how can we permanently remove a bunch of emails from our trash bin. So right now I have just moved 11 of my emails into the trash bin. Now what happens is once we just move the emails into the trash bin, they stay there for 30 days and then they are automatically deleted. But for those 30 days they would be occupying space from our Gmail storage. Right, as you can see there is a 15 gigs of storage that is provided to us for free. After that we have to pay for the extra storage, so they are unnecessarily occupying the space. So once you have decided that okay, these are all the emails that I don't want anymore, you have moved them to the trash bin, then there is no point in keeping them there for 30 days. So we can remove them voluntarily. All you need to do is just go to this left menu, click on more, go to this trash option. Here you will see all the trash mails. Just confirm them once that these are actually the emails you want to permanently delete, because once they are removed from the trash bin, they are permanently deleted, you won't be able to restore them. So it's always a good practice to check them first that okay, it's all good. Then what we can do is remove the emails one by one. So first of all, let's see that. Suppose this is the email you want to delete. Just select this and there is this delete forever option. Just select that. Second option is bunch of emails at once. So there are two options for that. Either you can just select all the emails and go to this delete forever option, or you can just use this empty trash now over here. So let's just use empty trash now. It will ask you for a confirmation that this action will affect all the 10 conversations in trash. Are you sure you want to continue? Because this action cannot be undone. So we are sure. Let's just click on OK. So these all messages have been deleted and we won't be able to restore them. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.